If you see this in a crypto project, run, because it's a scam. Every single day, thousands of people lose money to the same old tricks. And the worst part, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or already experienced, scammers know exactly how to manipulate you. Today, I'm going to show you the most common scams in the crypto world, why they keep working, and most importantly, how you can spot them before it's too late. Let's start with the infamous rug pull. The literal translation is to pull the rug out. And believe me, when it happens, it feels like the ground disappears under your feet. Here's how it works. A group launches a token or a DeFi project with a professional looking website, an attractive logo, and plenty of big promises. They build a community on Telegram, hire influencers to hype it up, and even fake partnerships with real companies. Everything seems legit. But what actually happens? As soon as the token starts to rise and more people invest, the creators dump all their coins at once, vanish, and the price crashes straight to zero. Thousands of investors are left holding useless tokens that are worth absolutely nothing. Red flag. If the team is completely anonymous or they promise quick profits without explaining how, it's most likely a rug pull in disguise. The second trick is the pump and dump. This scheme isn't new. It's been used for decades in the stock market with penny stocks. But in crypto, it became even easier. The mechanism is simple. A group of people starts pumping the price of a coin with massive hype. They flood social media with messages like, "This is the next Bitcoin," or "Don't miss the opportunity of a lifetime." Tons of people jump in, afraid of missing out, and that sudden demand pushes the price up quickly. But here's the catch: once the price is high enough, the organizers sell off their holdings, the dump, and just like that, the price crashes. The insiders walk away with huge profits, while everyday investors are left holding bags of worthless tokens. This cycle can happen in hours or even minutes. That's why so many people get caught off guard. Red flag: if you see sudden hype around an unknown token, with influencers shouting, "Buy now," and the price skyrockets without any real fundamentals. It's almost always a pump and dump. The third common scam is phishing and fake websites. Scammers create perfect replicas of popular exchanges or wallets. One wrong click, and you enter your password on a fake site, and your funds disappear instantly. Red flag: always double check URLs. Never click random links in Discord or Telegram, and use two-factor authentication whenever possible. In the crypto world, opportunity and risk walk side by side. But if you learn to spot these scams, rug pulls, pump and dumps, and phishing attacks, you can protect yourself while everyone else falls into the same traps. Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.